let me just share something with you because I wanted to share this screen as I go through this information, because I also want to leave lessons with those of you who are here with us. And hopefully it'll help you and it may help someone else. So the lesson that I learned was that you have to figure out, shift your mindset from, okay, I got to have money and the only way money comes is from a job, to, what do I have? What is it that I bring to the table? I've learned three very important things. No matter whether you're in business, whether you're not in business, whether you have a job, whenever you reach an obstacle, you sit down, you ask yourself, okay, what do I have? I have to do what I can, where I am, with what I have. So just like my books, Create Income with or Without a Job, How to Make Big Money with Your Small Business, I ended up publishing those books by audio because at the time in 1997, it was too expensive to publish in print. Okay. This was before you could just do graphics and throw it up on your computer. It was a totally different world. So these are three things that whenever I reach an obstacle, I always start here. What do I have? I'm going to do what I can, where I am, with what I have.